Hey, I'm Niraj. I'm a solo founder from Surat. For the last few years, I've done two things: build software and get people to actually use it. Right now, I run Autoreels. It's an AI tool that makes faceless videos. I built the whole thing myself: Next.js on the front, Node and Python on the back, everything running on AWS, Lambda, and Superbase. I also run the marketing for it: the ads, the emails, the landing pages, the SEO, all of it. Before that, I ran a performance marketing agency, D2C brands mostly, Meta Ads, Pixel, and CAPI setups, cold email at scale. I've spent real money on ads and I've wasted some too, which is honestly where I learned the most. I also run Programmer Jokes, started it as a joke. It's now 21,000 people on Instagram and 2,000 on email with paid sponsors. Here's the thing about being solo: you don't get to pick what you're good at. Something breaks, you fix it. Signups drop, you find out why. Nobody's coming. So if you're looking for someone who can write the code, run the campaign, and read the numbers after, boy, that's the job I've been doing for myself. I'd like to do it for you. Let's talk.